See here, limit x tends to 0, sin ax plus bx upon x cube is equal to 36, then is equal to dash, a is equal to b is equal to dash. So a question करना है तो at least you should know. I have already explained Taylor series in that all sin x, all exponential, logarithm functions expand कर दिया था, explain किया. You divide by x cube when you have like these situations I explained. In log is there, sin is there, e power x is there, x cube denominator is there, something is there. I told you these sums. You remembered or not? So n number of times. That is what I am telling you. Lacking of practice will harm you. See how many chapters you are doing. 20 chapters you target, but 20 chapters how much you practice, that is important. Only watching video never works. Practice is important, most important. आपको sin x का expansion नहीं पता है, next 45 days 60 days exam is there. It means which stage you are there. You think on this. मैं करता हूँ. See here, sin x expansion is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x cube by 5. You have denominator x cube, so expansion is required till x cube only. You have x cube is a expand denominator, so x cube till x cube is required. Sin ax will be becomes what? Sin ax is equal to ax minus ax whole cube divided by 3 factorial. So the limit is becomes what? Limit x tends to 0, and this is becomes what here? Sin ax, that is ax minus a cube x cube divided by x cube divided by 3 factorial plus bx by x cube. This is what you get, right? Is equal to 36. Correct? X cube by this is right. Fine. Sir, क्या करना है इधर? Limit x tends to 0. You write here. Limit x tends to 0. Write this ax plus bx together divided by x cube. Okay. Minus a cube x cube divided by x cube is equal to 36. Means this x cube separated, this x separated, x cube cancelled out. Limit x tends to 0, x taken common, a plus b upon x cube minus a cube is equal to 36. So you can write here x square, you can cancel it, x square happens. Limit x tends to 0, you get a plus b divided by x square minus a cube is equal to 36. You know that this should be, if you substitute it should be existent, means a plus b must be 0, because it should be having 0 by 0 form. It should have 0 by 0 form. You can do here also, you can take here also, but here it is an easy way. So a plus b must be 0. 0 by 0 form should come na. If I substitute here 0, 0 by 0 indeterminate form will give you limit answer. So if this is x square is there and limit x tends to 0 is there, so it should be there here also 0. It should be 0. So a plus b must be 0. A plus b must be 0. So if I substitute, what I get here? A cube now. From this you can take it. And a is equal to minus b I got. And just now you said na, a is equal to how much you got? 3 factorial. Oh, okay. Okay. By 3 factorial, right? So a cube value you will get there. A cube is equal to what? 36 into 3 factorial. So you will get a cube value. Okay. लिमिट्स के हिसाब से क्या होता है? ये पूरा है ना, ये लिमिट सेपरेट हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब क्या है? लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0. मैंने क्यों लिखा उधर? लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 a प्लस b अपॉन x स्क्वायर माइनस लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 a क्यूब बाई 3 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 36. तो हमने क्या किया? ये कब एग्जिस्ट होगा? ये एग्जिस्ट होगा व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल if a plus b is equal to 0. So that's why we took a plus b is equal to 0. That's why you got a is equal to minus b. And from here we can find a value. So a you got means b is the negative of answer. So a is equal to 6, then b is equal to minus 6. Okay. So this is I explained here. This one a cube by 3 factorial is equal to 6 square So a cube is equal to minus 6. So b is equal to, you get plus 6. So minus 6 comma plus 6. B is the right answer, right? Yeah, B is the right answer. Okay, one shortcut question I'll explain, fast one. Then I'll end up today. We'll see tomorrow. Anna? Two questions are there. Limit x tends to 0, tan cube x, tan cube 2x, tan cube 3x upon tan cube 4x plus tan cube 5x plus tan cube 6x is equal to p by q. Then p plus q value is how much? If g of x satisfies this condition, see, just now I said, so you will get this directly answer. कोई बोल सकते हैं? Just now I said ना, what is the answer for this? Just now I said. अभी पिछला knowledge थोड़ा use किया ना, previous question knowledge. This is gone out. How? If I substitute 2 here, 2 square minus, this is 4 minus 4, 0. If I am getting 0, on the numerator also what should I get? 0. So it means what here? I have to get limit x tends to 2, g of x minus 2 is equal to 0. I have to get. Because I told you if I substitute 2 here, 2 square minus 4, you are getting 0. It should be indeterminate form, 0 by 0. It means limit x tends to 2, gx minus 2 must be 0. So limit x tends to 2, g of x is directly, you got 2 answer over, done. Concept is important here. There is no calculation here. Now tell me here, this one. This is also concept related. Tan x, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is how much? 1. आपने माइंड में कैलकुलेशन करो. इसमें tan x by x cube आना चाहिए. क्यूब है तो x cube. So what do you have to get? Directly if I say answer, what is the answer? You know, 1 cube. I can write here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube is equal to p by q. Done over. See here, this is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube is equal to p by q, given p plus q is asking. That's it over. How I got this one? How I got this one? Knowledge. Just look at on the limit x tends to 0. What should be there here? Tan x divided by, it should be having x, tan x whole cube. So I should have here whole cube. So inside x, so I will multiply with x cube. I divide by x cube in each term. Here I multiply x cube, then tan x by x will be giving one answer. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is how much? 1. Here what I have to get? Limit tan. If I separate this limit x tends to 0. Here tan 2x is there. If I have 2x, I have to divide by 2x. And then I have to cube. It means I have to multiply with 2x whole cube here. I have to multiply 2x whole cube. Here I have to multiply x cube because I am bringing here x cube, so I have to multiply here. I am bringing here 2x, then I have to multiply 2x. And here limit x tends to 0. What I can write here? Limit x tends to 0. Tan 3x divided by 3x whole cube into 3x whole cube I have to write. Because I am bringing here 3x whole cube, so I have to multiply here. If I am bringing here 2x whole cube, I have to multiply here. So in this all the things, what you have observed, tan x by x is 1. Tan 2x by 2x is 1 because limit x tends to 0, 2x also tending to 0. Tan 3x by x is 0, 1. If x is tending to 0, tan 3x also tending to 0. What is left on the numerator? You can see that in numerator it is left is x cube plus 2x cube plus 3x cube. All here. This one is there. What is left? If I take out common x cube on numerator, what I get here? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. That is what I wrote. इधर से 1 cube आएगा, इधर से 2 cube, इधर से 2 cube, इधर से 3 cube. x cube तो बाहर आ गया. और नीचे भी क्या आएगा? यही सिस्टम. तो 4 cube आएगा, 5 cube आएगा, 6 cube आएगा, बाहर x cube gone. और ये हो गया p by q. जैसे इसे p वैल्यू आएगा, q वैल्यू आएगा, p plus q चाहिए बस. p वैल्यू क्या आएगा? इधर से p वैल्यू 2 क्यूब कितना है? 3 क्यूब 27, 2 क्यूब 8, 1. Add that. p value you get, q value you get, p plus q 1. मैंने जो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ सर. Here my question is, if g of x is satisfying limit extends to g of x minus 2 by x square minus 4 equal to 5. Pi is given. Yeah. See here they given g of x satisfying limit extends to g of x minus 2 by x square minus 4 equal to pi. It means the limit value you are getting some constant value. It means limit is exist. So if I substitute 2 here, 2 square value 4 minus 4 0. So if limit exists means you have to get numerator and denominator 0 by 0 form. So gx minus 2 should be 0. So limit extends to 2 g of x minus 2 0. So limit extends to 2 g of x value is 2 is the answer. And here this one is limit extends to tan cube x. Here you have tan cube x plus tan cube 2x plus tan cube 3x divided by tan cube 4x plus tan cube 5x plus tan cube 6x equal to 5 p by q. You have to get the value of p plus q. So it is only because it is not recorded, that's why I am explaining again. You can take the break. It is not recorded, that's why I am explaining again. That's it. Okay. Here I hope you have understood. G of x is the function limit extends to g of x minus 2 by x square minus 4 equal to 5. This limit value you are getting. अरे आपने कोई बोला नहीं सर. So to solve this one, answer will be directly here. Tan limit extends to 0. We can write as tan cube x. I can divide by x cube and I can multiply by x cube. Then this will become 1. So likewise, you can separate this limit extends to 0. Tan cube 2x divided by tan cube 2x divided by 2x whole cube and multiply by 2x whole cube plus limit extends to 0. For this one, I can write as tan cube 3x divided by 3x whole cube into 3x whole cube. Likewise, you can do in denominator also. So this value will give you 1. This value will give you 1 because tan 2x by 2x will be tan x by x when x tending to 0 is 1. And if x tending to 0, 2x also tending to 0, this is also 1. 3x also tending to 0, this is also 1. So here you get here all these are 1 1 1. So x cube 2x cube 2x whole cube and 3x whole cube will be there. So you can take x cube common, so you get 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube on numerator. Same you follow denominator, you also get here x cube is equal to you get 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube is equal to p by q. So x cube cancel, so p you get here, q will get here. So p plus q you need to get the answer. So least value you have to get by p plus q. So you get from p here, p you are getting here, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 and least value, this is what you get as p by q and q will be here, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, add them, then you can see p plus q value, that is the least value. Okay, bye, take care.